CBDC यानी सेंट्रल बैंक डिजिटल करेंसी, ये एक डिजिटल करेंसी है जो आरबीआई के द्वारा इशू की जाती है और ये फ्लैट करेंसी रुपी का एक डिजिटल वर्जन होता है। ऑल्दो इंडिया में 2022 में पायलट फेज में लॉन्च हुआ था, लेकिन करंटली 2025 में भी ये डिस्कशन चल रहा है कि इसके नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होंगे और कैसे कैश का मिनिमम यूज करके डिजिटल पेमेंट्स को बढ़ाना है। So the first question is, what is the full form of CBDC in the context of India's digital currency? The right answer is option A, Central Bank Digital Currency. जैसे कि मैंने तुमको अभी बताया कि CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency. It refers to the digital form of country's legal tender issued by the central bank (RBI). Next is, which institution is responsible for issuing India Digital Currency (CBDC)? कौन इसको इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो इसके इशू को रिस्पॉन्सिबल का है? Right answer is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. The RBI is responsible for issuing and regulating the central bank digital currency in India. Next is, what is the main objective of introducing CBDC in India? The right option is option C, to encourage digital payments and financial inclusions. The primary objective of CBDC is to promote cashless transactions, improve financial inclusions, and make digital payments more accessible. In which year did the Reserve Bank of India begin the pilot project for the digital rupee? The right option is option A, 2022. The Reserve Bank of India launched the pilot project for the digital rupee, marking India's entry into the world of central bank digital currencies. Next is, the digital rupee is expected to be introduced in which form? The right option is option B, digital currency on a blockchain, because the digital rupee will be issued and regulated through blockchain technology, ensuring the secure and transparent transaction. Next is, which of the following is not a benefit of CBDC? The right option is option C, anonymity in all digital transactions. While this CBDC aims to increase financial inclusions and reduce transactions cost, it doesn't guarantee complete anonymity as transaction will be traceable. Next is, CBDC can potentially reduce the reliance on which of the following? The correct option is option A, physical cash. तो भाई ये तो नॉर्मल से ये क्वेश्चन है. CBDC is designed to reduce dependence on physical cash by providing a digital alternative for transaction, making payments more efficient. Next is, which of the following countries has already launched a CBDC similar to India CBDC? The right option is option B, China. China has already launched its digital currency, the digital yuan, which serves as a central bank digital currency similar to India CBDC initiative. Next is, which of the following is a key concern regarding the adoption of CBDC in India? So the sahi answer is B, cyber security risk. One of the main concerns regarding CBDC is the potential risk of cyber security attacks, as digital currency are susceptible to hacking. Next is, what is the RBI approach towards the implementation of CBDC in India? The right option is option A, gradual and phased implementation. The RBI plans to implement CBDC gradually, conducting pilot programs before a full-scale nation worldwide rollout to ensure smooth integration. सो ये थी आज की वीडियो. ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, इसलिए इसकी बेसिक नॉलेज तुम्हें बताई थी मैंने. और बाकी करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड जैसे महाकुंभ से बहुत एग्जाम में बहुत चीज़ें पूछी जाएंगी, तो तुम ये वाली वीडियो देख लो. टिल देन कीप लर्निंग.